everybody. How am I looking? Yeah! Shout out to Haas Twins. They're like my favorite YouTubers, man. But let's dive right into it. So basically, I have another, you heard it, sneaker review slash try on haul slash, I don't know, unboxing. So here we go. We have the smooth Jordan box with the Jumpman logo right here. And as you can see, it's about to get lit. So basically, I'm doing a unboxing of the Air Jordan 6 Retros, and they're the Wash Denim Sail Blacks. Wash Denim Black Sail, whatever you call them. Basically, they're the Denim 6s. And I, in my personal opinion, think they are very fire. So, let's get into it. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, we have the paper to seal off the soles, the icy soles on the bottom. I guess it's to keep out the light so they don't brown quickly. Maybe like after they're being manufactured or whatever. But here they are. And oh my God. Like I feel like this is a slept on retro, if you ask me. Cause I know I'm finna rock the living daylights out of this. Like look at this, man. Like it's just straight denim. Just denim all over. It's not even much to describe in this video, like really. It's just, you know, it's got the denim finish all over, standard laces, and from what it seems, it looks like they have a leather Jumpman going on right here. Ain't that cool? It's leather. Then of course you got the little, I don't even know what you call this. I call it a pacifier or little, I guess a little lace button. Then of course you got the Jordan tongue, which I also always thought was pretty fire, pretty cool. Then of course you got this back arch back here. Makes the shoe pop, looks pretty cool. Got the Jumpman logo back here. And then my favorite part of the shoe, like I said in my last video, you have the sole. So with this sole, there's a whole lot of design going on with this one. You got little, I guess, circles for the padding on here. Of course, you got the icy soles. The only backdraw, now there's a backdraw to having sixes, is these icy soles, which sadly, over time, they're going to brown. Unless you're just very, very careful and make sure that you, I don't know, take care of it every night, or make sure not to, pretty much, if you ask me, not wear them that much, which I'm going to wear these. Best believe that. But if you don't wear them as much, of course they're not going to yellow. But sadly, the icy soles, they're made to yellow. It just comes with the territory. But oh well. Got the Jumpman logo right here in the middle. And all the way through. Oh my God, look at that. And it's, whatever this sticky material is on here, it's still kind of got a residue to it, and it feels very uncomfortable on my fingers. So I will not do that again. And now, I did my unboxing. I did a review. Now, we finna do a try on haul. And I'm finna show you how these bad boys look on foot. let's get into it. People, when I tell you these shoes are worth it, oh my Lord, they are worth it. Check it out. So pretty much I'm wearing regular joggers, my primitive shirt that I got from, I believe it was Zoomies or something like that. Of course I got the back with the cheetah print. Then of course, you got the shoes themselves. Look at that. Yee. Shout out to Soluminati. That's my guy. Look at that, man. Check that out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Check it out. Check it out. All right. Sorry, guys, my computer stopped recording. But pretty much, I just got a paper cut from the toe box that's on the inside of the sixes, and whew, it hurts. But it's time to give it a rating. So the retro Denim 6s, I will give these a good solid solid 9 out of 10. It is a very good looking shoe. Like, I'm really digging this. I feel like this is a slept on colorway. I feel like a lot of people probably didn't take into consideration, like, oh, let's even though it's not like the infrareds. The infrareds, everybody wants those. Everybody flocks to the infrareds like it's just the only colorway. But hey, when they come out with different colors that aren't to the regular scheme, that's when I take advantage. That's when I shoot. Honestly, this was on the shelf for about $99. And luckily my girl, she actually went out and bought me these. Appreciate that. But yeah, it's a good little sneaker. And I'm definitely gonna rock these pretty hard. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will get to you in the next video. Peace.